Hi everyone, welcome back to Automate M365. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically send Outlook calendar invites from a Microsoft Lists or SharePoint list. They're essentially the same, using Power Automate. This is a recommendation from a Reddit user who wanted a simple way to notify staff when they are assigned to a task. Using Microsoft Lists instead of Excel or Word keeps everything organized and reliable. Step 1. Create a Microsoft Lists or SharePoint list for your staff tasks or sessions. Include these columns: task name, start time and end time as date and time columns, location as either text or choice, description as text, single or multiple lines depending on how much information you need, and assign to as a person column for the staff member who should receive the invite. Step 2. In Power Automate, create a new automated cloud flow with the trigger when an item is created or modified. Select your SharePoint site and the list you just created. Step 3. Add a condition to check if the person column is blank. The condition asks, is the person column blank? If the answer is yes, this means the person column is empty and another column was edited. In this case, no action will be taken. If the answer is no, the person column is filled in, so the flow will continue to create the calendar event. Step 4. In the no branch of the condition, meaning the person column is filled, add the action, create event v4 in Outlook. For this example, I'm using my own account. Set calendar ID to calendar. For start time and end time, use expressions to prevent date-time errors. The expressions are shown in the video. Choose your time zone. I'm using UTC+1. Fill in the required attendees and optional attendees, and map the body so attendees can see the information extracted from the list. You can also configure additional options like importance, recurrence, and reminders as needed. Step 5. After creating the event, you can optionally add an action to send an email to the colleague for notification using Send an Email v2. Step 6. Save your flow and test it. Add a new item in your list and assign it to a staff member. They will automatically receive a calendar invite with all the correct details, and an optional email notification if you set it up. And that's it. With this flow, you can replace manual scheduling and ensure your staff always get notified when tasks are assigned. It's reliable, flexible, and keeps everything connected directly from Microsoft Lists or SharePoint Lists. If you want more step-by-step Power Automate tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll show you even more ways to automate your work and save time every day.